Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid on paper. First, gather your essential tools for precision. Creating a grid is a fundamental skill that offers immense benefits across many disciplines, from artistic endeavors to technical drafting. It helps maintain proportion and alignment, ensuring your work is neat and accurate. We will cover everything you need to know to confidently draw your own grids, making your projects much more manageable and professional. Let's get started with the basics. To begin, you will need a few simple items. A good quality ruler, at least 12 inches or 30 centimeters long, is absolutely crucial for drawing straight lines. A sharp pencil, perhaps a 0.5 millimeter mechanical pencil, will give you clean, consistent marks. Don't forget a reliable eraser for any adjustments. Having these basic tools ensures your grid lines are crisp and your measurements are accurate, setting you up for success in your grid-making endeavors. Let's walk through the process. First, measure and mark points along the top edge of your paper, perhaps every 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Do the same along the bottom edge, ensuring your marks align. Next, use your ruler to connect the top and bottom marks with light vertical lines. Then, repeat this entire process for the left and right sides of your paper, creating horizontal lines. This careful method will result in a perfectly square or rectangular grid across your entire sheet. Here are some helpful tips for your grid making. Always start with a very light pencil pressure. You can darken the lines later if desired. Consistent pressure and careful measurement are key to a professional-looking grid. Grids are incredibly versatile, useful for everything from sketching portraits to designing layouts or even plotting mathematical functions. Try making grids with varying square sizes, such as 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter, to see how they can serve different purposes in your creative and technical projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.